Hey there, see that dark stain under your car? Yeah, that nasty one. Your gut says, big problem. Your wallet says, we're done here. But hold up, what if I told you something? Most oil leaks aren't what you think. Germans figured out the real secret, and we're spilling it today. No pun intended. Let's get into it. The American problem. Here's the brutal truth about America. We ignore our cars. Big time. Carfax data just dropped something wild. 29% of American drivers skip oil changes. That's almost 1 in 3 people. 30 million vehicles are out there right now. They're behind on maintenance. Behind. And it gets worse. 90% of car owners admitted they delay repairs. Not by days. Sometimes by 30 days or more. Think about that. An oil leak sits for a month. What happens? It gets angry. The small drip becomes a steady pour. The rubber seals harden from heat. Pressure builds inside the engine. And boom. Now you're looking at a $2,400 repair bill, maybe more. Studies show 10% of all vehicles on the road leak oil, 1 in 10 cars, and 40% of those leaks are caused by worn seals. Rubber aging, normal stuff. But America doesn't catch it early. We just let it run. Why Germany does it different? Germany isn't like that. German engineers don't mess around. They built a philosophy around prevention. Not reaction, not panic. Prevention. See, German cars, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Volkswagen, they demand precision. Factory-grade oil, specific viscosity ratings, exact maintenance schedules, no cutting corners, no generic synthetics, no guessing. Each brand has its own standards. BMW uses Long Life 01 or Long Life 04. Mercedes requires MB 229.5 or 229.51. Volkswagen demands VW 502.00 or 504.00. Why? Because these oils have special additives. The additives keep rubber seals supple. They prevent hardening. Germans change their oil every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers. Americans stretch it to 7,500 miles. Sometimes longer. Germans also understand something critical. Most American drivers don't catch problems early. They drive under what engineers call severe service conditions. And guess what? 78% of drivers qualify as severe service without even knowing it. Short trips, cold starts, stop-and-go traffic, city driving, all severe. Germans know this. They plan for it. Americans ignore it, and that's where the leak problem starts. Step 1. Clean and diagnose. Step 1 is simple but crucial. Clean your engine, not aggressively, carefully. No high-pressure washers, no forcing water into connectors, just controlled degreasing. Why? Because oil spreads. It travels across surfaces. It creates the illusion of multiple failures. A leak that looks catastrophic might just be a small drip, but you can't see the real source under all that grime. Germans clean first, diagnose second, never the other way around. Grab a degreaser, let it sit, use a soft brush, wipe it clean, then start your engine. Run it for a few minutes. Monitor the cleaned areas. Now watch carefully. Where does oil actually appear? Not the old stuff. Fresh leakage. This tells you the true source. Many drivers panic over false alarms. You might realize your leak is minor, just a weeping seal, not a catastrophic failure. That changes everything. Step 2. Fix the crankcase pressure. Here's the secret weapon, the step nobody talks about. Crankcase pressure control. This is why German engines stay dry. Your engine produces combustion gases. They escape past piston rings. These gases build pressure inside. Too much pressure? Oil gets forced past seals. Forced right out. German mechanics inspect the ventilation valve immediately. It's called a PCV valve. Positive crankcase ventilation. This tiny valve controls internal pressure. It's your leak fighter, it's your saving grace. If it's clogged, pressure spikes. Oil leaks, if it's working, pressure stays normal. Seals hold, no leak. A partially clogged valve costs maybe $50 to $150. Replacing it? A few minutes of labor. But the results? Dramatic. Many drivers see leaks drop significantly within days, just from fixing this one component. Germans prioritize this step. Americans skip it. That's the difference right there. Check your PCV valve. Do it today. Step 3. Choose smart oil. Now the oil choice matters, and it matters big. Don't grab whatever synthetic is on sale. That's the American mistake. German engineers design specific oils for specific engines. These oils have seal conditioning additives. They're not thick oils. Thick oils hide leaks temporarily. They choke your engine. They restrict flow on cold starts. German oils are different. They have stable viscosity. They maintain seal elasticity. They clean internal deposits. They prevent sludge. And they cost more. But here's the thing. A quality oil change every 8,000 kilometers beats a cheap oil change at 10,000 kilometers. The shorter interval removes contamination. Moisture evaporates during full operating temperature. Sludge doesn't build up. Seals stay flexible. This patience matters. Seal reconditioning takes time, not days, weeks, or months, but it works. One German product, Liqui Moly Motor Oil Saver, regenerates rubber seals. It prevents blue exhaust smoke. It stops oil burning, and it's trusted by European mechanics. Invest in quality. Invest in the right oil. Your engine will thank you. Step 4. Verify torque. This step sounds boring. It's actually critical. Bolt torque. Valve cover bolts. Oil pan bolts. Oil drain plugs. These get over-tightened. They get unevenly tightened. Previous mechanics stripped them. Current mechanics damage them. A distorted gasket leaks. It leaks consistently. Slow, steady seepage. Germans use a torquey wrench. They follow the exact specifications. They use the correct tightening sequence. No guessing. Proper torque distributes pressure evenly. It preserves gasket integrity. It costs nothing, but it requires precision and patience. Most Americans skip this. They hand tighten bolts. They assume it's fine. It's not. Get a torquey wrench. Check your manual for specs. Tighten in the right sequence. Problem solved. Step 5. Thermal stability. Engines expand with heat. They contract when cool. If you only take short drives, moisture accumulates inside. It mixes with oil. It forms sludge. Sludge blocks seals. Sludge increases pressure. More pressure means more leaks. German drivers take periodic extended drives. Long highway runs, at least 20 to 30 minutes. This brings oil to full operating temperature. Moisture evaporates. Sludge dissolves. Seals breathe properly. Thermal stability supports longevity. If you work from home, drive twice a week. Full temp highway runs, just 20 minutes. That's it. Your engine will reward you. Step 6. Check engine mounts. Worn engine mounts cause movement. Excessive vibration stresses gaskets. Constant shaking breaks down seal edges. Cracks develop. Leaks follow. Germans inspect mounts regularly. Worn mounts cost $200 to $400 per mount, labor included. Some vehicles need 1 or 2 mounts, others need 4. But preventing an engine failure? Worth it. Everything is connected. Your mounts affect your seals. Your seals affect your engine. Your engine affects your wallet. Don't ignore weak mounts. Step 7. External seal treatment. For minor seepage around accessible seals, Germans apply targeted conditioning agents. These are specially designed products. Think Liqui Moly treatments. Or Castrol seal conditioners. Not random additives, not miracle fixes. Measured application. These treatments soften hardened rubber carefully. They don't swell seals artificially. they restore flexibility. Used properly, they extend seal life. Used carelessly, they cause problems. This step only works on minor seeps, not major leaks, and it only works with the right product. Not synthetic oil, not transmission fluid. The correct treatment: research your product. Follow directions exactly. Step 8. Oil level discipline. Overfill your oil. Just 1 quart more. What happens? Pressure spikes. Oil finds escape paths. Leaks develop instantly. Germans verify oil level precisely. After service, during inspections, monthly checks, always precise, not somewhere around the mark. Exact. Use your dipstick or use the electronic sensor. Get it right. Correct volume prevents unnecessary pressure. This simple habit prevents leaks. Why German method works. Most oil leaks in older engines aren't catastrophic tears. They're not blown gaskets. They're the result of 3 things: aging rubber, elevated internal stress, neglected maintenance. Fix the stress. Restore the flexibility. Maintain cleanliness. The leak diminishes. Often, it stops entirely. This is why Germans succeed. They attack root causes, not symptoms. They analyze system balance. They measure crankcase pressure. They assess seal condition. They test oil chemistry. They monitor thermal behavior. They inspect mechanical alignment. When balance returns, sealing improves naturally. The psychology is different too. When Germans notice a leak, they act fast, early, before small drips become big problems. American drivers delay, and delays cost money, lots of it. The warning signs. You're ignoring: dark stain on the pavement, burning oil smell in the cabin, wet engine bay, dropping oil level between changes, low oil pressure warning light, smoky exhaust from worn seals. See any of these? Act now. Not tomorrow, not next week, now. Early intervention saves 50% in repair costs. That's data from the Automotive Aftermarket Suppliers Association. When to seek professional help. Be honest with yourself. Some leaks require replacement. If a gasket is physically torn, replace it. If a seal lip is damaged, replace it. The German method doesn't deny mechanical failure. It ensures replacement happens only when necessary. Before disassembling anything, eliminate pressure, restore elasticity, verify torque, stabilize temperature, clean deposits. Many engines stop leaking after these steps. If leakage persists unchanged, you probably need professional service. A full gasket replacement, a seal replacement. These run $500 to $1,500 depending on the seal. Still cheaper than an engine rebuild. Prevention is your final layer. Replace your ventilation valve regularly. Use consistent oil quality. Avoid chronic short trips. Maintain proper engine temperature. Inspect early during routine checks. Oil leaks don't happen overnight. They whisper first. A small damp area, a faint smell, a minor drop in oil level. Respond early. You maintain control. Ignore it. You surrender control to deterioration. German drivers respond. American drivers ignore. That's the difference. Now you know the German secret. Use it. Your engine will stay dry, your wallet will stay full, and your next car will last a whole lot longer. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We're aiming for bigger things next week. See you then.